द क्यूरियस केस ऑफ कुलदीप यादव। हेलो एंड वेलकम, आई एम मिखाइल वसवानी और आप देख रहे हो डायल सी फॉर क्रिकफिट। आज हम कुलदीप यादव के बारे में बात करेंगे, उनकी जो करियर थी, जो स्टार्ट हुआ उनका करियर का, और अब जाके जो उनकी उड़ान थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आ गई है। बट वील टेक अ लुक एट हिज करियर एंड सी वेयर द प्रॉब्लम इज एंड व्हाट बेस्ट कैन बी डन so that Kuldeep Yadav can make a comeback into the Indian Test side particularly. Kuldeep Yadav made his debut in 2017 as a 22-year-old. Great start to his career on Test debut, 4 wickets against Australia, completely bamboozled them. I must admit, he made his debut in all 3 formats in the same year, so it was a fairy tale start for Kuldeep Yadav's career. More importantly, along with Yuzvendra Chahal, he forged a very good partnership, so much so that R. Ashwin also lost his place from the shorter formats in Indian cricket. That was Kuldeep Yadav for you, an Indian bowler to bag 2 international hat tricks. Nobody's done it before. Kuldeep Yadav was on a plane and he was in cruise control mode. लेकिन problems आ गई और हम देखेंगे कहाँ उनको problems आई, जिसकी वजह से आज he is not finding a place in the test team when they have selected 24 players, 20 plus 4 standbys. You are not there in the top 24 as Kuldeep Yadav. आपको बुरा तो लगेगा और आप सोच रहे होंगे कहाँ खराब हो गया चीजें मेरे लिए. First up, we'll take a look at his career. He's played 7 test matches in 4 years. 2017 to 2021, 7 test matches, out of which 2 test matches outside India, the remaining in India. Now the problem it's said with Kuldeep Yadav is that on foreign tracks he is not able to get spin or purchase. वो एक प्रॉब्लम था. 2018 में उन्होंने इंग्लैंड के लॉर्ड्स के ग्राउंड में एक मैच खेला था, वहां पे उनको विकेट नहीं मिले. लेकिन 2019 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के एक टेस्ट मैच में इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया ही गॉट 5 विकेट्स. सो लेट्स नॉट गो डीप इनटू दैट एनालिसिस, बट लेट मी आल्सो ऐड द फैक्ट दैट 2021 फरवरी में उन्होंने एक टेस्ट खेला था, but his last test before the February 2021 test was in 2019, which clearly states that he has lost favor completely, and there are many factors that has led to it. Let's quickly take a look at it. 26 wickets in 7 test matches. It's been a decent start. However, Kuldeep Yadav, for the kind of uniqueness he possesses, देखिए, Chinaman bowler being a Chinaman bowler is a rare commodity. Not every country has the luxury of a Chinaman bowler, and that's why I feel Kuldeep Yadav needs to be nurtured and he needs to be kept in the confidence of the selectors and the team management. So where does the problem lie for Kuldeep Yadav? First things first, he's unable to find purchase. Now, the biggest low point for Kuldeep Yadav would have come in that test match in India against England when Akshar Patel was selected ahead of him. देखिए, we all knew what Kuldeep Yadav can do on Indian tracks, but the day Akshar Patel was taken ahead of him in the playing 11 in a test match, those were signs, warning signs that देखिए कुलदीप, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है आपके करियर में, कुछ तो गलत चल रहा है. And ever since that performance, the Akshar Patel has only moved ahead, and today he is on that flight for England at the World Test Championship as well. We'll get to that as well, but quickly problems. One, I told you, no purchase on foreign soil. Akshar Patel playing ahead of Kuldeep Yadav. That also led to a slide in Kuldeep Yadav's career. He himself admitted, Kuldeep Yadav ने खुद कहा था कि बीच में मैं राशिद खान जैसे बॉलिंग कर रहा था. I tried to bowl quicker, but I realized that my strength was give it loop. I was trying to purchase spin with pace, and I can't do that. Only Rashid Khan can do that. Another aspect let's also talk about is fielding and fitness. देखिए, every IPL a new star is born. Competitive cricket इतना solid हो गया आज की तारीख में इंडियन क्रिकेट में कि हर एक IPL में एक नया खिलाड़ी, एक नया स्पिनर, एक नया बैट्समैन, एक नया बॉलर आ रहा है. And that's why Kuldeep Yadav needs to evolve as a cricketer and not be a one-dimensional cricketer. देखिए, दीपक चहर, भुवनेश्वर कुमार, शार्दुल ठाकुर, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, सभी ने अपने बैटिंग में काम किया और सबकी फिटनेस कहां से. ऑफकोर्स भुवनेश्वर कुमार को अब जाके थोड़ा इंजरीज हुआ है, बट ऑल ऑफ देम आर वर्किंग ऑन डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ देयर गेम. Be it their fielding, nobody is one-dimensional. They're all multi-dimensional. But for that matter, Kuldeep Yadav, एक ही उनका है वो bowling और कुछ नहीं. Fielding is decent. I wouldn't say it's electric, not a Jadeja at all. And batting तो चलो बात ही नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि Kuldeep Yadav is technically a spin bowling specialist. एक और चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. कुलदीप यादव ने वेरी रिसेंटली कहा था कि धोनी भाई को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं। बिहाइंड द स्टंप्स में उनकी जो गाइडेंस होती थी उनको बहुत मिस कर रहे थे। वो जब वो कप्तान थे तो उनके साथ बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आता था। क्या उनका ये कहना है कि आज कोहली के साथ वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं मिल रहा उनको? क्या कैप्टन की बैकिंग है? उन्होंने कहा था कि जैसे ही वो स्क्वाड के बाहर हो गए थे फॉर द वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप, ही हैड अ डिस्कशन आल्सो विद कोहली एंड रोहित शर्मा, और दोनों ने कहा कि स्टे मोटिवेटेड, थिंग्स विल चेंज. Good thing is that now we're having another team going for the ODI, so Kuldeep Yadav will be kept in the mix. But let's admit it, there are few things that have gone wrong. But also, let's admit that he's one of the best bowlers in the country at the moment. I'll tell you why. Now, if you take a look at his stats, some key figures, in T20s, Kuldeep has a bowling average of 13.76. Wonderful figures. In ODIs, Kuldeep has an economy of 5.22. At 26, the youngster is the first Indian to bag 2 international hat-tricks. In the last 4 years, he's only played 7 tests. That's a little baffling, but he's just 26 years old, so there is always a chance for a comeback. My verdict is, if I'm Kuldeep Yadav, I'll stay motivated, I'll stay confident, and I will just try to work on getting my basics right. And that is by just doing what I did when I made my international debut. The team management, the captain needs to nurture him, keep him in the confidence. At the moment, understand there's Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, there is Ravindra Jadeja, there's R. Ashwin for the World Test Championships, and Rahul Dravid ne kaha tha ki this means that the Indian team has found a balance. They found a like-to-like player. For Akshar, for Jadeja, they have Akshar. For Ashwin, they have Washington Sundar, and they know they are playing 11. And at the moment, all of them also lengthen India's batting, and this means that Kuldeep Yadav has no place in the team at the moment because he does not fit the composition of the squad. It could be a little disheartening for Kuldeep Yadav, but the fact remains he's still one of the best spinners in India, if not the best spinner in India. He's 26 only, he has a long way to go, and this also suggests that he needs more matches, he needs to work on getting that loop once again and flight, which is his strength. Do tell me how you like this video. Do share if you feel that what we mentioned about Kuldeep Yadav makes some credible sense as well. We'd like your inputs, we'd like your comments and feedbacks in the coming days as well. Thank you so much for joining me, Mikhail Vaswani, on Dial C for Crickfit. We will see you very soon.
For more such content, do hit the subscribe button and follow us on our other social media platforms.